If you're looking for a powerful way to manage your webinar follow-ups and keep your audience engaged, Folk CRM might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Folk CRM for webinar follow-ups, and by the end, you'll be able to automate your communication, track your leads, and maximize conversions like never before. Stick around, because I'm also going to share an exclusive bonus for a free trial you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's jump into how Folk CRM can streamline your webinar follow-ups. Folk CRM is all about building relationships with your audience while simplifying the entire process. Whether you're tracking new leads or nurturing existing ones after a webinar, this platform allows you to stay organized without the overwhelm. First, let's talk about lead segmentation. After hosting a webinar, you'll have tons of new leads, and it's crucial to keep them organized based on their interaction during the event. Folk CRM lets you segment leads easily based on tags, custom fields, and activities. You can create a separate list for people who attended the live session versus those who registered but didn't show up. This helps you tailor your follow-up strategy to each group for better results. One of the best features for webinar follow-ups in Folk CRM is the automation. Instead of manually sending follow-up emails, you can set up automated workflows that trigger emails, texts, or reminders based on specific actions or timelines. For example, if someone attended the webinar, you can automatically send them a thank you email with a link to the recording, additional resources, or a special offer. If they missed the webinar, a workflow can send them a reminder to watch the recording, keeping them engaged and on your radar. But that's not all. Folk CRM also helps you stay on top of your tasks and ensure no leads fall through the cracks. You can set reminders to follow up with specific leads at certain times, ensuring you're always on top of your communications. This eliminates the need for a manual to-do list and keeps your focus on converting leads into customers. Another feature I love is the integration with other tools. If you're using a webinar platform like Zoom, you can integrate it with Folk CRM to automatically import your attendees and registrants into the system. This saves you the time of manually uploading your contact lists and ensures that your follow-up efforts are aligned with your webinar campaigns. As you use Folk CRM for your webinar follow-ups, you'll also notice how the platform makes it easy to monitor engagement. You can track which emails your leads are opening, which links they're clicking, and which actions they're taking. This level of tracking allows you to adjust your messaging in real time, improving your chances of conversion. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Folk CRM for free today with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link in the description below. You won't just get access to the basic features, but will also unlock some bonus tools to get you started. So, to recap, Folk CRM is an amazing tool to automate and simplify your webinar follow-up process. From segmenting leads to automating communication and tracking engagement, it's designed to help you stay organized and increase conversions. And don't forget, if you want to try it out with an exclusive bonus, click the first link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your webinar follow-ups.